Hello friends, myself Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. Today we are going to start a new topic, identification. In this topic we will cover about definition of identification, identification data, medico-legal importance of identification, then corpus delicti, fingerprinting, podogram, cheloscopy, footprint, some bones like skull, pelvis, sacrum and mandible, age estimation from X-ray, then tooth. In tooth we will cover about eruption and secondary changes and medico-legal importance of age, tattoo marks, hairs, sternum, carpals and tarsals and bite mark. Okay. Then definition of identification. Identification is the determination of individuality of a person based on certain physical characters or exact fixation of personality. Then identification data, race and religion, sex, age, gender development and stature, complexion, external peculiarity like moles, birthmark, malformation, scar, tattoo mark, wounds, occupation mark. Anthropometric measurement like hair color, eye color, height, weight and build. Fingerprints, footprints, cheloscopy, rugoscopy, DNA fingerprinting. Teeth, personal effects like clothes, pocket contents and jewelry. Handwriting, speech and voice, gait and habit and memory and education. These last four like handwriting, speech and voice, gait and habit and memory and education, this is only possible in living person. As no single features is reliable for identification, a combination of feature is taken. Sex, age and stature are the primary characteristic of the identification. Then medical importance of identification, living person, recently dead person, decomposed body, mutilated body, burnt body in skeletal events. In criminal cases, person accused of assault, murder, rape, interchange of baby in hospital, impersonation. In the civil cases, marriage, inheritance, passport, insurance claim, disputed sex and missing person. Then corpus delicti, corpus means body and delictum means offense or crime. It means body of offense or body of crime or essence of crime, which includes everything like physical evidence which proves the commission of a crime. In simple word, corpus delicti includes not only the dead body of the victim but also other evidence like weapon of the offense, clothing showing blood stains, accessories and photograph of the deceased showing fatal injuries. During investigation of the homicide case, the police must prove that a crime has actually been committed, and for this, police must produce dead body of the victim or weapon or clothing or drawing or any other related evidence. Purpose of corpus delicti, positive identification of the dead body of the victim. It must be proved that the victim died due to criminal acts of the accused. Only after fulfillment of the above mentioned purposes, an accused can be convicted of committing homicide. This is all about introduction of identification. Next time we will discuss about fingerprinting. Okay, thank you for watching.